Vaseline, a brand of petroleum jelly, is an incredibly versatile product that is commonly used to heal cuts, moisturize dry skin, and remove makeup. While it is less common, Vaseline can also be used to style and moisturize your hair. In addition, you can apply Vaseline to help treat common hair and scalp issues, or use it on your facial hair to smooth, tame, and protect your hair and skin. You can use Vaseline petroleum jelly alone also, but if you have coconut oil in your home, then it is better to mix both of these ingredients. Or you can also mix onion juice and Vaseline petroleum jelly and use it in your hair. Similarly, you can also mix aloe vera gel if you have in your home. You can smooth Vaseline down your hair to help lock in moisture. Scoop a pea-sized amount of Vaseline onto your finger. Rub the Vaseline into the roots of your hair first. Then smooth it down the length of your hair until you reach the tips. Cover your hair with a towel or a wrap and leave the Vaseline treatment on your hair for a few hours or overnight. If you have long or thick hair, you may need to scoop more Vaseline out of the container to cover your whole head. Get the Vaseline out of your hair by rinsing it with cornstarch or dish soap and a clarifying shampoo. Repeat this treatment as needed daily or weekly to keep your hair moisturized and prevent dry, brittle hair. Applying Vaseline to your roots and locking in moisture may also help your hair grow faster. That's why we recommend you to use Vaseline petroleum jelly with coconut oil or onion juice or any kinds of aloe vera gel. Similarly, you can also dab on a tiny dot of Vaseline to tame frizzy and flyaways. Lightly dip your finger in the Vaseline container to get just a pin-sized amount of product on your finger. Then, dab the Vaseline on top of any frizzy hairs and flyaways to get them to lay down flat. Dabbing on a small amount of Vaseline also adds a bit of shine to your hair. This is particularly helpful in humid weather that tends to make stray hairs and frizz harder to control. Not only that, you can also use Vaseline to style your hair instead of mousse or gel. Swipe a dime-sized amount of Vaseline over your fingers and palms. Then run your hands through your hair to apply the Vaseline, then move it into place to style it as you usually do. Using Vaseline is a great option if you run out of favorite hairstyling product. If you are tired of split ends, then you can also rub Vaseline into the ends of your hair to prevent it. Starting with a pea-sized amount, rub the Vaseline into the ends of your hair. Scoop out more product as needed to cover all the ends. Leave the Vaseline to soak into your hair for a few hours overnight or until your next wash. The Vaseline nourishes the ends of your hair, protecting against dead ends and breakage. If you feel some sort of irritation on your skin, then you can also massage Vaseline into your scalp. Using a dime-sized amount, massage the Vaseline into the dry areas on your scalp. Let the Vaseline soak into your scalp to trap moisture in, which helps heal dryness and reduce itching. The Vaseline will likely soak into your hair roots as well, which moisturize your hair and may help it grow faster and healthier. If you also have lice in your hair, then you can get rid of it by using Vaseline petroleum jelly. For that, all you have to do is coat your scalp with Vaseline petroleum jelly. Use your fingers to scoop Vaseline out of the container and rub it into your scalp and hair. Repeat this process until your entire head is covered. Then cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the Vaseline in overnight. Rinse your hair with clarifying shampoo the next morning. Then comb through your hair with a leash comb to remove any remaining nits. The Vaseline mask generally suffocates any living lice and keeps them from laying more eggs. Repeat this treatment after 1 week to ensure all the lice and eggs are gone. So, after hearing all these benefits of using Vaseline petroleum jelly, now it's your turn to use it and see the result by yourself. Vaseline petroleum jelly alone can also give you best result, but if you want excellent result, add some coconut oil or any kinds of other essential hair oils into the mixture and use it. You can use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week, not more than that. Remember, washing your hair more than 2 to 3 times a week can make your hair root very weak. So, give it a shot and see the result by yourself. We assure you that you are going to love the result.